M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the SignalInk and the Yaesu 897. The SignalInk box has been around for quite a few years now, so I managed to pick one up secondhand and I'm tinkering with it now. I just want to show you my settings. You can see I did get myself a contact very quickly just there, and then we're still calling CQ now. So the connection to the radio is very simple. You've got the data pin at the back of the radio. You can just see here where it says data 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 6-pin standard Yaesu that comes with the SignalInk. So plug that, and then the other end of that goes into the back of the SignalInk box. You can see just here, and that is the white colored cable. It says radio, and it looks like a RJ45 connector. And then you've got the printer style USB cable that does plug into your PC, because that's where you pick up your audio. So that's going straight to the PC. And this works with the 817, with the 857. And then you just turn it on, the green light comes on, and when you PTT, it goes red. And I've set my, it's hard to see there, but I've set my TX volume at about 5.2. The RX is all the way around. And the delay is right off at the moment. So now if you go to File, Settings, and then General, I haven't changed anything. It's M0FXB and IO81. Radio, now that is specific. I haven't selected a COM port. I've just gone to Vox and then nothing else. Audio tab, next one along. I've selected, and you get a choice, of course, USB audio codec, and this is what's coming up on my PC. Okay, once I click on that, I have ticked transmit and tune, click OK, and then there is a configuration, remember, inside the actual SignalInk has to be configured for your radio, because we're doing the 897 now. So I'll put a link in the description, but when you take the front and back cover off the SignalInk, you just see just here, the front and back does just come off, then it slides out, and inside you've got these jumpers, and just make sure they're as per this configuration. The words JPI, power, mic and PTT is all written on the actual board. So this is mine, obviously if you've got a different radio, but this covers the FT, let me get the right one, the FT-450, the 891, the 991, so this is my configuration. You're just seeing here on the left, okay? Link will be in the description. So once you've got all that set up, everything's connected, fire up the WSJTX. On the sort of map here on the right hand side, the sort of waterfall, all I do is go to a gap, right click, and go TX RX offset. And then when you're happy that everything's fine, then just hit enable TX, and then it doesn't change the frequency, unfortunately. If there may be a configuration to change the frequency, for you, but at the moment I'm manually setting that. You see, as soon as it goes into transmit, it says CQ. I'm transmitting about 20 watts here. You've got all the stations coming in on the left hand side, as you can see, and once it gets a connection, it will automatically cycle through, and I've told it to auto sequence here, or you can find one of these here that is transmitting. I can double click one here, which I've just done, double click, and it's uniform Bravo 3 Lima Bravo uniform, and it might, you might get a connection there. When you've got a connection, because you'll get the red lines. So give it a go. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think it's just another aspect of the hobby. It's great fun. The SignalInk's been around for ages. And so it actually came with the radio I bought, and after using it, I've decided it works fine. I think the next thing I want to do is, because I've heard, I know how to use OmniRig, is just to see if I can use it with OmniRig as well. And then that way I'll be able to, this section here where you change the frequency, which isn't working now. Just check, because the cables that we've got connected don't control the radio, they just pick up the audio. They do put it into transmit, they do that. Let's enable TX again. keep going. And then you've got grid tracker where you see all the lines going across the screen. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with FT8. And don't forget, SignalInk isn't just for FT8. You've got WinLink, you've got all the different modes here, FT4. You can see down there, there's Whisper and all kinds of things you can do. Give it a go. Hope my video helps you set yours up. And it's pretty much the same configuration for all the Yaesu radios. Bye for now, especially the old one. 7.3, all the best. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and join my channel. 7.3.